Why full here?
Cheap. France, we're now driving.
France.
That's true.
We need help, please.
And we like cheese.
We are getting out of Luxembourg and now we're gonna fill the tank.
Full.
Why full here?
Cheap.
Cheap. Yeah, the price of petrol and diesel here in Luxembourg is much cheaper compared to the other countries. Yeah. How much you are paying for diesel per liter?
1.45 euros.
1.45. And how much was it in Netherlands?
I think 1.90. Okay.
Okay.
I think we're now driving on the border.
We're driving on the border.
I think this is maybe the border. Yes, it's true. You see the France. We're now driving in France.
Now we are driving in France.
France also has very beautiful parts in the south, mountains, a beautiful coast, beautiful old cities.
It makes big changes with it actually. Just look how beautifully it makes its shade here and lighting. And traffic.
Yes. In Luxembourg, the public transport was for free. And here it's not. And here it's also, you need a car because it's such a big country, and to move yourself you need a car. Public transport doesn't drive everywhere. Lots of villages or far away. So yes, you really need a car.
That's why we experience really more traffic here in France so far. It's just amazing.
It's amazing. You can buy bread here. It's an automat. You just put money inside and then you get the baguette.
It's so nice just walking here a little bit in these villages at the French. I hope you can hear the birds. Wow, plenty of them. They're singing. And the most beautiful part, you just have a library right beside the street. You can sit, choose your book, read. So good.
We are in Friauville. This house.
This is so good. So beautiful. You're just taking the routes through the villages, you know, just going to see the villages one by
We're skipping all the
one.
highways. And that's why we end up in such beautiful.
Okay, we arrived at the next village. Harmonville, yeah? Oh, this is more. Wow, Nina. Wow, yes. Guys, this is the rainbow! Good evening. Happy life. So Nina found a really good camping spot. Beside the water, you're going to find the spots. Seems it should be somewhere around here. Let's see.
See? You're happy with the camper spots?
Thank you so much for bringing me here.
Oh.
Just look at the sunset, the lake.
Wow. And the camper van is standing there with our colleagues. It's amazing. We're gonna sit down, relax, play some guitar, drink.
Good morning. We just boiled the corns.
I was thinking, do you say good morning to the pan?
No, I say good morning to you as well.
Good morning.
You're not gonna do the dishes.
Time for the dishes. In the sun, because it's very cold.
Yeah, it was really cold last night, yeah. Good luck with the dishes.
Bye-bye.
You know? You need help with dishes?
You always come when it's almost finished.
It's finished? Oh, I came
Yes.
for help.
1, 2, 3, 4. Then it's finished.
It's too late. Shit. Next time, okay?
Oh, next time.
Oh, it's beautiful here.
It's so nice. You can just stay here for free. They have a restaurant and they just give the space what they have for the camper vans to stay. Lots of free camper van spots in France.
That's true, which is really nice.
Yes, it's nice. It's
Good.
more about sharing. I have a nice space. You can stand here.
Beautiful weather. Good day. Good roads. Woohoo! Welcome to the Toul. Ah, nice. The city starts with a beautiful view of the cathedral and Moselle River. So nice. Very good. You think there is a parking slot for us here? Maybe.
It looks like there is a park.
Yay.
It looks like they have place for us.
Ah, ah.
Oh no!
Where to go? Oh, there's one there, yeah. Stone walls was built by Vauban all around the old town. Maybe from here, if we can see a part of that.
Wow, so colorful.
Yeah, it was a big wall and
All around this city.
all around the old town, yeah. Maybe we can go from here, from the grass, to see the top.
We go up?
Yeah? Yeah? Maybe we can see a part of wall from here. Now we are walking on top of the wall.
Wow.
And we have a little bit view of the city, Toul. Maybe we're gonna go see the cathedral, have a walk around the city. It's funny because we just wanted to pass the city, but I feel it's nice to see, yeah.
We're stuck.
Let's have a
It's
look.
a good stuck. It's always good to be stuck, right?
That's one of the most beautiful churches I've ever seen so far in Europe. So nice. Okay, let's go walk a little bit around the city. See how's the vibe. The history of the city goes back almost to 2,000 years ago. And it means, you know, these walls, these streets, these alleys, they're older than lots of countries in the world, yeah.
Really?
Yeah.
But you can see it also. Some olden wooden doors. Yeah. It's
think we
nice,
need
and
to
they
go
kept
from
it
here.
as well.
This monument historic museum is written Entrée du Musée. Gratuit? Gratuit is free?
For free.
Really? Okay, let's see. nice walking in these alleys.
I like the stones, the bricks of the street. I like the colors in the houses. And you know what I like? I don't know what's the name. This. Come. This. You know the name?
Oh, come, please, help. We need help, please.
You know the name?
Please,
Nom.
come.
Nom. Le nom?
Nom.
C'est très beau.
Volley.
Volley,
Volley.
c'est très beau.
Oh, this is they call
In
it
France,
volley.
many, beaucoup.
Beaucoup. Oh, interesting, really interesting. Look how colorful are the windows. It really gives, this good vibration life.
You just want to open the bottle of wine.
Oh, sweet.
We just saw a really nice bakery.
Uh-huh.
And I feel the French people really love bakeries. They love croissants and chocolates and all those croissants and baguette.
That's true.
Yes, they eat a lot of baguette and the baguette is really good.
But croissant is not originally from France.
I didn't know.
It's from Austria.
Really?
Yeah.
No.
And the French people, every year, they pay $13 billion to buy baguettes.
Wow. And it's a lot because a baguette costs 30 cents. The cheapest one. The dark brown bread. The stiff brown bread, they really like it.
Yes,
And to be honest, I like it though. Meat. Do you like meat for tapa?
What?
Salami, I think. Or fouettes. They really like it here, French. True. Artistic places, and you don't expect, but they are everywhere. It's nice. It just spontaneously pops up in a normal neighborhood.
Oh, what's happening? Drinking coffee.
Coffee beans.
Woo!
I think they are roasting.
Very good. Wow, I love the smell. The smell is awesome. I've heard they have 1,200 types of cheese in France.
That's true. We like cheese. And I just saw fromagerie here.
What is
It
fromagerie?
means cheeserie.
Cheeserie? Cheeserie. Let's take a look. Varieties of cheese. Look.
I think these are my favorites.
Which one?
More like brie or camembert. Goat cheese also nice.
Beautiful. A very big clock.
But I think they put the old clock here. You know why? I'm not sure. Here in France, they don't translate anything.
Yeah, that's the problem.
Everything is in French. It's a big difference comparing to Luxembourg.
This is the old clock. It goes back to over 200 years ago. Harmonville. Quiet village. I really like this style of this French villages.
This I love as well. That's against the wall.
Ville. This is the name of village. It's really beautiful landscape. Oh, nice home here. Look. That's through the forest. Right immediately after the forest, we arrive in this really lovely village.
Look, these houses with the old doors and the windows.
And the grandma here. Hello,
Oh my
bonjour.
So
People are so friendly, really. They give us back a smile. We're almost arriving to the next
yes.
spot. Yeah, it
Our
looks
new home
so
for tonight. We
nice.
have one other camper bed. And where do we want to park, Jay?
Wow, Nina, look what we have here.
Oh my god! Wow! Next to the lake, and the sun is going down.
Yo. What do we have for tonight, Nina?
Easy dish tonight.
Easy dish.
Spaghetti with red sauce, tomato sauce, and corn.
And here we have fruit salads. Mostly from the stuffs and leftovers we found. Really good. Thank you so much. Bon appetit.